Hey, to use Gemini on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, first of all, you will have to open the Google Play Store, click on the search, now tap on the search one more time and input Google phrase. Search. Now you will have to get this Google application, you will have to select, and you will have to get the latest update. So click here on this. Now we just have to wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the update is almost finished. Now it's installing, and right now after the installation is finished, just wait for it. Now click and hold this power button, and as you can see right now we are here, we are with the Gemini. So this is our new AI assistant. Previously, if you are pressing this power button, it will actually give you information that you have to update your Google application. Now we can actually make this tutorial, but you can also skip tour. And as you can see right now, we have to scroll down and we have to select to use Gemini in the right bottom corner. There we go. And now if you want to wake the Gemini, you can do this with this power button. There we go.
Absolutely.
And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos.